Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to everybody. I wanted to do like a little skincare routine. I thought that would be kind of nice to do for Mother's Day. So I'm just going to show you all my products that I use to take off my makeup, wash my face, moisturize my face, everything from the drugstore. One product is not from the drugstore, so we're going to talk about that. But we'll just get started. So the first thing I have is the Aveeno Positively Radiant Makeup Removing Wipes. I picked these because I have tried so many different things in the past, and as you guys know, if you saw the video I posted a few months ago when I used the Neutrogena grapefruit scrub, that absolutely tore the shit out of my skin. I am very fair. I have very thin, frail skin, and when I used that, now I've used like scrubs in the past. I've used all kinds of scrubs and I've never had a problem. But that time I had a problem, and since then I just want to use everything for sensitive skin, literally. So, and I just stick to what I know. I haven't even been trying anything new. So yeah, these are them. They work really well. Even if you wear a lot of makeup, one does go a long way. I usually use about two. They are oil-free, dermatologist tested, ophthalmologist tested, which is really good because I have used some in the past that irritate my eyes. And the first ingredient in this is water, so that's also a plus. So after I use these, I usually go in with this, and I am a, like, I would totally, like, just sell this brand on my own time if I could. Like, that's how much I love it. I am a sole believer in Biore. I love almost all of their products. From the ones I've tried, have never failed. I've never had sensitive skin, never had any redness afterwards, never had any texture or anything. So this one's actually fairly new. I use this to wash my face after I've taken off my makeup. So this is the Biore Love Your Pores Rose Quartz and Charcoal. It's great for oily skin. It deep cleans and radiates self-love. Daily purifying cleanser. And it has their little logo called Don't Be Dirty on it. So this has the rose quartz and charcoal in it. I like it with the rose quartz and the charcoal because I feel like sometimes with my skin I get a lot of blackheads, so I really need that deep pore cleaning. So this is that. This is what that looks like, and it comes with a little pump just like that. And then I'm going to read the back because it has the rose quartz, which is the crystals, and a lot of people are all about crystals right now, amethyst and rose quartz and all that stuff. So it says crystals have been known for hey, I can't read. Okay. Crystals have been known for centuries for their unique healing powers. Rose quartz, a natural crystal, is known for the stone that radiates self-love and care. So they've incorporated that into their scrub, which I thought was cool. And this smells so good. Like, holy crap. This smells so good. Like, it has like that rose water scent. Oh, I just love it. It's so good. Next on the list, I go through these like absolutely crazy. I like to use this. This is another Biore product. I like to use this in the shower actually because sometimes I go crazy with these scrubs and the beads kind of get stuck up in my hairline because I put makeup like up in here. That way it blends together nicely. So yeah. So this is the Biore Free Your Pores. This is the Deep Cleanse Pores and Smooths Skin Pore Unclogging Scrub Salicylic Acid Acne Treatment, oil free, again with their little logo Don't Be Dirty. So this is that. This is what that looks like. So I'm also gonna read the back of this so you guys know what it does. Biore Pure Unclogging Scrub with spherical beads targets what clogs pores and clears away impurities, leaving you with healthy looking complexion and noticeably softer, smoother skin after just one use. There's only 2% of salicylic acid, which is pretty normal for all skin scrubs that have an acne treatment. It's no more than 2%. This does seriously smooth my skin so much, and I think that these two together, both these products, like this one first and then this one after that, like this one gets the surface, gets the dirt off the surface, and then I go in with this right afterwards and it just gets everything else that this didn't hit, because this is just like a small little scrub, so this isn't going to get deep down into your pores like this will. So I recommend that. After that, like I said, I get a lot of blackheads. I get them specifically in like my T-zone area, which is weird. Not really on my face, but more in particularly on my nose, on the top, in the bridge here, and then right at the ball of my nose, and then actually kind of in the middle center of my eyebrows. I get a lot of blackheads. So what I like to use for that, and this is like the first one I've tried so far because I didn't really know if they worked or not, but I haven't broken out with this either. Like I said, I'm super sensitive skin. So this actually worked really well, and I used it for a few days straight. I don't know if they recommend you not doing that. But I was just sick of my blackheads. So this is from Garnier. This is the Skin Active Black Peel Off Mask with charcoal. So this is just supposed to like extract your anything clogged in your pores. So to me, that means, you know, dirt, plaque, blackheads, whiteheads, whatever. So I use this after I completely wash and dry my face. No lotion. This is just going straight in the T-zone here. And actually I forgot, right in like the middle of my chin area as well. So with this, it just says to apply a thick layer on a freshly washed dry skin. Avoid your eyes and your lips, and to leave it on for 20 minutes until it's dried, and then you can peel it off. And if it doesn't come completely off, you can always just use like a wet towel to get the excess off. But this did not irritate my skin at all. I'll show you guys this as well. That's what that looks like. And yeah, it's from the drugstore. Great buy. So after all that is done, we're gonna moisturize our skin. I know a lot of people have like their own opinions about moisturizing their skin. Sorry, my hair is a fucking disaster today. Looks awful. But I have always stuck with this drugstore brand. Just because I like my face really moisturized, because it is pretty much combination skin. I have oily patches, I have dry patches. But the oily patches aren't that oily, because I don't know if you guys remember, I've said in the past, I've taken Accutane, which is a acne medication prescribed by a dermatologist that shrinks your sebaceous glands, which are the glands that produce oil in your body. So hence, therefore, not producing acne. So after that, the oil wasn't that bad on my face. It's still there a little bit, but it's not nearly as bad. So I like to use a really thick moisturizer. This is the Pond's one. This is the Pond's Dry Skin Cream Rich Hydrating Facial Moisturizer. It's hypoallergenic, doesn't clog your pores. The one thing that sells me on it is it's suitable for sensitive skin, and it's dermatologist tested. Yeah, that's about it. It's pretty straight and to the point. This is what it looks like. If you would focus. There we go. This is what it looks like. It's just a little bottle. We're gonna do this. It's like this thick white cream, but I'm obsessed with this. However, let me get to the holy grail product that I have used completely, but I won't buy it again because of the price. So a few months back, I was subscribed to BoxyCharm, and in my BoxyCharm box, I actually got a facial moisturizer. It is a holy grail product. Like, I would buy this over and over and over and over and over again if it was in the drugstore, but it's not. This size, before I tell you who it's by, this size is $57, I believe, for last time I checked. Don't quote me on that, but it was in that ridiculous range. So, this is the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask by Dr. Brandt. It's for balancing out your complexion. There's literally nothing. It's for all skin types. It's a recovery sleeping mask. It's a lotion, but it's like a recovering sleeping mask after the day. If you use this, I'm gonna show you this, but it's like beat to hell, so don't judge me. This is what it looks like. Just like that. I am not kidding you. Like, I'm about to cut this open and just scrape whatever else is in here. This stuff works so well. I mean, I have a lot of redness like in my T-zone. It's just natural. My eyes don't have a lot of, you know, muscle or fat or whatever you want to call it in them. So it's very like sunken in. I have a lot of purple veins in my eyes. This somehow made them less purple and less like I got punched in the fucking eye. It just totally didn't make my skin look like it was dipped in grease. It just like completely soaked into my skin. It looked like I had moisturized my skin, but like in a nice subtle way. I cannot say enough things about this product at all. Like, I can't. It's just so good. You can go on Dr. Brandt's website and look this up. It's just super expensive, and this was a drugstore. But I did just want to share this in case anyone is willing to go and just spend a lot of extra money on something like this. If you're really in need to like fix up your skin, but you don't want to go to the dermatologist, because the dermatologist is expensive too. So if you're willing to try something at home, I would go with the Dr. Brandt product, because this shit was just absolutely fire. I 100% recommend this guy. But yeah, those are all the things I use in order to take off my makeup, unwind the day, all drugstore, -1. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed your Mother's Day if you're a mommy. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope to do more videos like this. Maybe next time I'll actually film how I do it, how I just take off all my makeup, go to bed, because I do, you know, put makeup on the neck, and you still have to take care of your neck as well as your face. So that was my drugstore, now I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. That was my drugstore skincare product review. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.